So this is Leicester. They're attacking in that way. This is Exeter. When the initial maul sets up, Exeter in a really good position, but they're a little bit light on this side. So you see that Leicester are going to ease round the corner. They've got the man at the back with the ball. Stop there, stop there. This is where Francis starts to get lost. This is Jeff Parling here. He gets onto Gonover here, okay? And as they come around the corner, this is Thacker at the back. Leicester sort of break out, they're going towards the line. He realises Gonover's not the threat, changes his bind, which isn't legal. But then the real thing that the referee picks up, as they're going over the line, he realises there's no one there and makes the tackle and brings it down. Leicester just short of the line. So for me, spot-on decision, penalty try. It would have, in all probability, have been a try. And also, he could identify it as Jeff Parling, so yellow card. If we have a look at the second one, the Fitzgerald incident, OK, so it started from a breakdown over on this side. There was a pass from the breakdown to a ball carrier. This is Fitzgerald here. He's going to make the tackle, so let's have a look at that. OK, if we stop there, everyone stop there. As the tackle's made, it's a ruck. These guys come in and clear out. These guys are backing off. He gets to his feet really well, but the pick and go so quick. As he gets up, he's almost caught, and he ends up pulling the guy down over the line. The question, and one of the things that the officials spoke about, there were Leicester shirts in behind. I personally don't think they would have stopped the try had Fitzgerald not made the tackle. So in that respect, a penalty try. But one of the things that the officials always look for is who else is in the area that could have made a tackle. And if there are bodies there, they often don't go with a penalty try. But clear-cut yellow card. Now, the key to that is Don Barrow had just been sent to the sin bin. The Exeter Chiefs scrum was totally on top. It was going forward almost at will. If Leicester had lost both their second rows, I think, despite it not being a penalty try, I think a try would have come immediately afterwards.